Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing like a bright matte pinkish makeup. So without further ado, let's get started. So to begin with, I'm going to be using a primer, and for that today I'm going to be using the Sugar Aquaholic stick. It's a hydrating primer stick, really pretty, and I'm going to be using that to the center of my face. It has this kind of a cooling sensation which I don't know if everyone would like, but it's really hot and I really appreciate the cooling sensation. It's like mint on your face. So I'm not sure if everyone would like that. One thing I'm gonna do is apply a cushion foundation. I'm using the Innisfree My Go-To cushion, and this is in the shade W35. So I'm just gonna go with a light layer. I'm not putting a lot of efforts into my forehead because it's gonna stay covered anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan. So there's some construction going on around here, please don't mind the sound. So in the meantime, I'm gonna do my eyebrows while I let my concealer sit because it helps in increasing the coverage. So I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil and just carve out my brows. Blend it all out, blend the concealer out. Now I'm gonna set my eyes real quick. I'm using the Fit Me powder in the shade Medium 25, and now today I wanted to do a matte makeup look, so I'm gonna be using another powder to powder my entire face. I'm using the Innisfree No Sebum Blur Pact, and it comes with a little cushion like this. The only problem with this powder is that it does have this white cast thing going on. So I'm gonna take out the excess powder on the back of my hand and then slowly work it onto my face. Has a teensy white cast, but I absolutely love the product because it has this amazing blurring effect to it. Like, it almost makes your skin look poreless. I'm gonna be using the butter bronzer to bronze my face. So what are you guys up to these days? What are you guys doing? I started watching this drama called Flower of Evil, I guess. Evil Flower? Flower of Evil? Something like that. It's a crime thriller kind of a thing. It was pretty fun to watch. It's not the best crime thriller out there, but it was pretty entertaining, so that was fun to watch. And I just finished it recently. I cried and stuff because obviously so yeah, if you want to try that, you can. I usually do end up leaving dramas halfway through because I get bored really easily, but this one kept me going and I actually finished a drama after a really long time. So the next thing I'm gonna do is my blush. I'm using the Innisfree My Blusher in the shade Pink Hydrangea. So I was telling my boyfriend about the show Flower of Evil, and I was telling him like, I really like this, it's really fun, it's a pretty new concept or whatever. I was like, it's really not, but I was just telling him, do you want to know the story? And he was like, can I guess the story? And I was like, yeah, you can guess the story, go ahead. And he's like, a boy and a girl, they fall in love. And I'm like, no, it's a crime thing. So what I'm gonna do about the blush is I'm gonna apply it around here, like start around applying around here and then work my way in and out like that. So I was like, yeah, go ahead, guess the story. And he's like, there's a girl and a boy and they fall in love. And I'm like, no, it's a thriller series, it's not a romantic drama. So he's like, cool, it's a girl detective and a boy who's probably the culprit. And I was like, and I was like, no, it's not. And he's like, acha batao fir, like tell me what's the story. I'm like, there's a girl detective. I don't know how he even said that. I'm so annoyed of him. So after that, I'm gonna move into my eyes. Sorry, the sun is literally in my eyes. So I'm gonna take a concealer, like the lighter concealer that I did, and I'm gonna apply it to my eyelids. I'm gonna go into the Revolution Rose Gold palette, and I'm gonna go into this pink shade right here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is apply like a glittery shade. I'm gonna take this rose gold shade from here and just apply it all over my lid. And pretty much that's it. I'm gonna do a light eyeliner. This one, I keep messing up this one, I don't know why. Now I feel like I do not want to do the eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the MAC Powder Puff lipstick in the shade Stay Curious. My best friend gifted me this. It has this really soft finish, and despite being a powder matte lipstick, it's still really buttery and glides on your lips like really easily. So I'm gonna go into this lipstick. This is the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Burning Love. It's a burgundy kind of a color, and I'm gonna take that and put it on the center of my lips. I just feel like my self feels a little empty, so I'm just gonna apply a little glitter. And the last step would be some highlighter. I'm gonna be using the K Beauty highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz, and I'm just gonna And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I know the lighting is a little messed up today, but the sun acted up, and I hope you guys can ignore that because I put in a lot of efforts into these works. So I know the lighting is a little off today because the sun kind of messed it up, and yeah, but that is it. This is the look. And I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and if you guys did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.